మై డియర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈ రోజు మన వీడియోలో జనవరి మంత్ కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్ టోటల్ కంప్లీట్ గా మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఎంసీక్యూస్ అనేవి మనం ఇక్కడ డిస్కస్ చేసుకుందాం. ఓకేనా? వీడియోని ఎక్కడ స్కిప్ చేయకుండా వీడియోని చూడండి. నచ్చితే లైక్ చేసి షేర్ చేయండి, ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ చూసుకోండి. వాట్ ఈస్ ది ప్రొజెక్టెడ్ గ్రోత్ రేట్ ఫర్ ది ఇండియన్ ఎకానమీ ఇన్ ఫైనాన్స్ ఇయర్ 25 అకార్డింగ్ టు ది డిలైట్? ఓకే, ఆన్సర్ చూసుకుంటే 6.5% to 6.8%. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. నెక్స్ట్ సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్ చూసుకుంటే which country regulatory authority has granted approvals for Doha Insurance Group to establish a reinsurance branch in India? ఆన్సర్ చూసుకుంటే ఖతర్ సెంట్రల్ బ్యాంక్ అండి. ఖతర్ సెంట్రల్ బ్యాంక్. ఖతర్ క్యాపిటల్ ఏంటంటే దోహా. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ విచ్ టీమ్ డిడ్ కేరళ డిఫీట్ టు విన్ దేర్ మైదాన్ సీనియర్ నేషనల్ మెన్స్ హ్యాండ్ ఫుట్బాల్ ఛాంపియన్షిప్ టైటిల్? ఓకే, ఆన్సర్ చూసుకుంటే చండీగఢ్ అండి. Next, recently which institution has developed the needle-free shock syringes for painless? Answer చూసుకుంటే IIT Bombay. Next, which space agency has successfully launched a space docking mission, SpaceX mission? Okay, answer is ISRO. Next, Vivid Sea Vishwas scheme timeline has been extended till? The answer is January 31, 2025. Recently, who has created history by winning the 15th national title in motorcycle drag racing? The answer is Hemant Mundappa. Next, recently, which of the following countries has introduced the prototype of the world fastest train? The answer is China. Next, World Day of Peace is observed every year on? The answer is 1st January. Next, who has assumed the charge as a Director General of the Central Reserve Police Force, CRPF? The answer is Vitul Kumar. Next, who became the fastest Indian to take 200 test wickets? The answer is Jasprit Bumrah. Next, RBI proposed lookup facilities for which of the following facilities by April 1? The answer is both option 1 and 2. Okay, here is the correct answer. Next, under the Swamitva scheme, PM Modi issued over dash property cards in December 2024. The answer is 50 lakhs. Next, who has been appointed as the new director of ICMR? The answer is Bharati Kulkarni. Next, in which state is the Tadoba Andhari Tiger Reserves located? The answer is Maharashtra. Next, who has been appointed as the new CEO of Unique Identification Authority of India? The answer is Bhuvanesh Kumar. Next, who among the following has won the Women's World Bridge title held in New York recently? The answer is Zhu Wenjin. Next, Nepomniachtchi, who shared the Men's World Bridge title along with Magnus Carlsen, belong to which country? The answer is Russia. Next, which state forest department has developed a garden to showcase ecological and environmental knowledge in Mahabharata? The answer is Uttarakhand. Next, in which neighboring countries of India the Tamil Losar festival is mainly celebrated as New Year? The answer is Nepal. Next, in which state was India's first glass bridge inaugurated? The answer is Tamil Nadu. Next question. How much money will be given to priests every month under the Pujari Grant scheme launched by the New Delhi government? The answer is 18,000 rupees. Next, in which year was PM Ayushman Bharat Health Infrastructure Mission launched? The answer is 2021. Next, which medal did Indian player Lakshya Sen win in the King Cup International Badminton Open 2024? The answer is bronze. Next, the SpaceX mission involved with which launch vehicle? The answer is PSLV C-60. Next, which country has released world's fastest train CR450 prototype? The answer is China. Next, Cabinet approved the extension of PM Fasal Bima Yojana weather-based crop insurance scheme till which year? The answer is 2025-26. Next, Rajendra Arlekar sworn in as Governor of Kerala. ఎన్నవ గవర్నర్ అని అడుగుతున్నాడు. ఆన్సర్ చూసుకుంటే ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ 23rd. నెక్స్ట్, డాష్ బికమ్ ది inaugural recipient of the T.M. Krishna Pari Award for her work in art. The answer is Ravani Jangi. Kumbh Mela was inscribed on the UNESCO's list of intangible culture heritage in which year? The answer is 2017. Next, what is the projected GDP growth rate for India's in financial year 25 according to the RBI report? The answer is 6.6%. Next, who has been reappointed as the non-executive chairman of Bandhan Bank? The answer is Anup Kumar Sinha. Next, what is the new deadline for implementing the transaction volume cap on UPI apps as per NPCI? The answer is December 31st, 2026. Next, where is the 18th edition of the Suryakiran military exercise being hosted from 31st December 2024 to 13th January 2025? The correct answer is Saljandi, Nepal. Saljandi, Nepal. Next, who has been appointed as the Secretary General of Associated Chambers of Commerce and Industry of India, ASCHOM? The correct answer is Manish Singhal. Manish Singhal. Next, who has been sworn in the 42nd Governor of Bihar? 42nd Governor of Bihar, Arif Muhammad Khan. Arif Muhammad Khan. Next, with which sport is Hokkaido Hotage's same associated with? The correct answer is shot put. Next, who is set to receive the Arjuna Award? Arjuna Award lifetime 52 years after becoming India's first Paralympic gold medalist? The correct answer is Murlikant Rajaram Petkar. Murlikant Rajaram Petkar. Next, which state celebrated Women's Teachers Day on Savitribai Phule's birth anniversary to honorable female educators? The correct answer is Telangana. Next, recently Union Cabinet approved MOU on trade of non-basmati white rice between India and DAS. The correct answer is Indonesia. Next, which state government has launched a 15-day reading campaign amongst students? The correct answer is Maharashtra. Next, in which city did Blinkit first launch its 10 minutes ambulance service recently? The correct answer is Gurugram. Next, how many nth Foundation Day of Dear Deva was celebrated on January 1st? The correct answer is 67th. Next, when is World Braille Day? World Braille Day observed annually? The correct answer is January 4th. Which airline became the first in India to offer in-flight Wi-Fi connectivity on domestic flights? The correct answer is Air India. Next, who is the editor of the book Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh Through the Ages, released by Union Home Minister Amit Shah? The correct answer is Raghavendra Tanwar. Raghavendra Tanwar. Next, which former Prime Minister will be Himachal Pradesh Institute of Public Administration (HIPA) be renamed after? The correct answer is Dr. Manmohan Singh. Dr. Manmohan Singh. Next, who has been appointed as the new Chief Executive Officer of NASCOM Foundation? NASCOM Foundation. The correct answer is Jyotish Sharma. Next, who has been appointed as the Chairman and Managing Director of Food Corporation of India? Food Corporation of India by the Appointments Committee of the Cabinet? The correct answer is Astosh Agnihotri. Astosh Agnihotri. Next, recently, which of the following state governments has launched the Shahid Madhav Singh Hath Karcha scheme? The correct answer is Odisha. Next, recently, India's first generation beta baby was born in which place of Mizoram? The correct answer is Aizwala. Next, recently, who won the men's 10 meters air pistol finals of the 67th National Shooting Champion 2024? The correct answer is Varun Tomar. Next, which city will be the headquarters of the newly proposed 69th Railway Division of Indian Railways? The correct answer is Jammu. Next, in January 2025, Prabtej Singh Bhatia was appointed to which position in the Board of Control for Cricket in India, BCCI? The correct answer is Treasurer. Treasurer. Next, the 18th edition of the Pravasa Bharatiya Divas convention will be held in which city 2025. The correct answer is Bhubaneswar. Recently, which state declared the unseasonal rain in December last year as a natural calamity? The correct answer is Odisha. Next, the Presidential Medal of Freedom is the highest civilian honor of which country? The correct answer is US. Next, what is the theme of the Gramina Bharat Mahotsav 2025? The correct answer is option D, building a resilient rural India for a Viksit Bharat 2047. Next, who has been named as the next chairman of the Indian Space Research Organization ISRO? Okay, by succeeding current chairman S. Somnathan. Yes, Somnathan. The answer is Dr. V. Narayanan. Dr. V. Narayanan. Next, the Union Minister for Road Transport and Highways announces the completion of the 2.35 km Banihal bypass on NH44 in dash built at a cost of 224.44 crores. The correct answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Next, which ministry launched the Sasakt Beti and E-Drishti initiatives? The correct answer is Minister of Education. Minister of Education. Next, recently the Bharat Poll portal launched by who among the following to mark advancement in India's law enforcement capabilities? The correct answer is Amit Shah. Next, the world's oldest person, Tomiko Itoka, according to Guinness World Records, has died at the age of 116. What was the nationality of Tomika Itoka? The correct answer is Japanese. Next, Union Animal Husbandry and Fisheries Minister Ranjan Singh inaugurated India's first organic fisheries cluster in which state? The correct answer is Assam. Next, who among the following became the new president of the Athletics Federation of India? The correct answer is Bahadur Singh Sago. Bahadur Singh Sago. Next, which country has officially joined the BRICS as a full member in January 2025? The correct answer is Indonesia. Next, what is the rank of India in terms of the largest metro network in the world? The correct answer is third. Next, Mukhyamantri Maya Samman Yojana. Mukhyamantri Maya Samman Yojana was launched by which state government? The correct answer is Jharkhand. Which state is the host of 74th Senior National Basketball Championship? The correct answer is Gujarat. Next, who among the following has become the brand ambassador of Sikkim? Brand ambassador of Sikkim, A.R. Rahman. Next, which minister has launched the Sasakt Beti and E-Drishti initiatives? Okay, correct answer Minister of Education. Repeat question. Prime Minister of India has recently laid foundation stone of Central Ayurveda Research Institute in which city? Central Ayurveda Research Institute in which city? And the correct answer is Delhi. Next, which ministry has introduced the special category visas, E-students visas and E-student X visas? The correct answer is Minister of Home Affairs. Next, which football player was recently awarded the Presidential Medal of Freedom, the highest civilian honor of the US? The correct answer is Lionel Messi. Next, who has inaugurated the Gandhi's Darshan Art Gallery at Rajghat in New Delhi? The correct answer is Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla. Next, what percentage stake has Suzuki Motors Corporation decided to acquire in NDDB Mirdal Limited? The correct answer is 26%. Next, Rishi Dhawan has announced his retirement recently. He is related to which sport? The correct answer is cricket. Next, where has the central government approved the establishment of memorial dedicated to the former president Pranab Mukherjee? The correct answer is Rashtriya Smriti Complex. Next, in January 2024, the eShram portal has been upgraded in how many languages? The correct answer is 22. Next, who has been invited as the chief guest for the India's 2025 Republic Day parade? The correct answer is Prabhav Subinto. Next, who became the first India-born basketball player to pick a National Basketball Association (NBA)? The correct answer is Satnam Singh. Satnam Singh is the correct answer. Next, Makarvilakku festival is celebrated in which state? The correct answer is Kerala. Next, the cancel coal case which was seen in news is associated with which country? The correct answer is South Africa. Next, who has been appointed as the Deputy Managing Director and Group Chief Risk Officer of State Bank of India? The correct answer is Baldev Prakash. Next, which organization has Bank of Baroda partnered with for its upgraded Employees Assistance Program EAP? The correct answer is Trueworth Wellness. Trueworth Wellness. Next, who has been appointed as the new Revenue Secretary? New Revenue Secretary. The correct answer is Tuhinkant Pandey. Tuhinkant Pandey. Next, which among the following languages recently given classical language status? The correct answer is Marathi. Next, recently Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated India's first green hydrogen hub to be set up in which state? The correct answer is Andhra Pradesh. Next, which techniques is used in Prayagraj to create dense forest for Mahakumbh Mela 2025? The correct answer is Miyawaki technique. Miyawaki technique. Next, Kalpeni Island, which was seen in news, is located in which state or UT? The correct answer is Lakshadweep. Next, which state has announced $1 million prize for deciphering the Indus Valley script? Correct answer is Tamil Nadu. Next, which organization released the Future of Jobs Report 2025? The correct answer is World Economic Forum. World Economic Forum. Next, India's first commercial utility scale battery energy storage system is located at which place? The correct answer is Kilokri, South Delhi. Next, which Indian player won the under 17 girls singles title at the British Junior Open in 2024? The correct answer is Anhat Singh. Anhat Singh. Next, what is the revised GDP growth forecast for India's by SBI for financial year 2025? The correct answer is 6.3%. Next, what is the theme of the World Hindi Day 2025? The correct answer is option C, a global voice of unity and cultural pride. Next, recently, which Indian company has been commissioned the Punath Sangachu 2 Hydel project in Bhutan? The correct answer is BHEL. BHEL. Next, National Human Trafficking Awareness Day. National Human Trafficking Awareness Day. Celebrated in every year on. The correct answer is January 11th. Next, who has been appointed as the International Event Ambassador for the Tata Mumbai Marathon 2025? The correct answer is Sarmo Farah. Sarmo Farah. Next, who has been appointed as the chairman of newly established advisory board for Equal and One Money? The correct answer is Justice B.N. Sai Krishna. Justice B.N. Sri Krishna. Okay. Next, the Pravasi Bharati Express tour is offered to which group of people? The correct answer is persons of Indian origin. Persons of Indian origin. Next, the Viksit Bharat Young Leaders Dialogue 2025 organized in New Delhi under the leadership of who among the following? The correct answer is Dr. Manshik Mandavia. Next, who among the following received the Pravasi Bharati Samman Award 2025? The correct answer is Syed Anwar Khurshid. Next, recently the International Camel Festival was kicked off in which among the following states? Rajasthan. Next, joint exercise Sahyog Kaijin between India and Japanese. Sahyog Kaijin is dash exercise అని అంటున్నాడు. 105. The correct answer is Coast Guards. Next, which state government has set to target of setting up 1000 milliwatts million watt solar plants through women's SHGs? The correct answer is Telangana. Next, which country recently became the world's second largest holder of lithium reserves? The correct answer is China. Next, which organization has announced AI-driven partnership with India's AI mission? The correct answer is Microsoft. Next, who was elected as the treasurer of the Indian Cricket Board? The correct answer is Prabtej Singh Bhatia. Next, who is leading the India's men's team in the Kho World Cup 2025? The correct answer is Pratik Vaikar. Next, who is the author of the book titled Middle Class India Driving Challenge in the 21st Century? The correct answer is Manisha Pandey. Manisha Pandey. Okay. Next question. What is the name of the first orbital rocket launched by Jeff Bezos' company, Blue Origin? Blue Origin. The correct answer is New Glenn. New Glenn. Next. Who is the chairman of the reconstituted Atomic Energy Commission? The correct answer is Ajit Kumar Mohanty. Ajit Kumar Mohanty. Next. Which sport brand has signed PV Sindhu as its brand ambassador recently? The correct answer is Puma India. Next. Pokborak is the official language of which Indian state? The correct answer is Tripura. Next, Pavana River. Pavana River, which was seen in the news, flows through which states? The correct answer is Maharashtra. Maharashtra is the correct answer. Next, who has been appointed the new captain of the IPL team Punjab Kings? Punjab Kings. The correct answer is Shreyas Iyer. Shreyas Iyer. Next, Nag Mk2 missile is developed by which organization? The correct answer is DRDO, Defense Research and Development Organization. Next, in which state is the Ganga Sagar Mela celebrated? Ganga Sagar Mela celebrated. The correct answer is West Bengal. Next, Joran Milankovic has been elected as president of which country in January 2025? The correct answer is Croatia. Next, where where has the first astronomical observatory of Eastern India been inaugurated? The correct answer is Purulia. Next, who has been conferred with the Honorary Citizen Award by Singapore in January 2025? The correct answer is Tarun Das. Next, who has been appointed as the Secretary of Department of Higher Education under the Minister of Education? The correct answer is Vinit Joshi. Next, which Indian naval ship INS was participated in the fourth edition of the multinational exercise La Perouse. The correct answer is INS Mumbai. INS Mumbai. Who has recently assumed the position of the Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of Indian Bank? The correct answer is Binod Kumar. Next, which e-commerce giant has signed an agreement to acquire fintech lending startup Axio? The correct answer is Amazon. Next, who has been appointed as the Director General of the CRPF? The correct answer is Gyanendra Pratap Singh. Next, where was the Asia's second largest ISKCON temple inaugurated recently? The correct answer is Maharashtra. Next, the Halda festival is observed in which state? The correct answer is Himachal Pradesh. Next, which state is home to India's first private semiconductor manufacturing facility? The correct answer is Andhra Pradesh. Next, green rooms recently in the news is associated with which country? The correct answer is Ukraine. Next, which IIT recently collaborated with Altair to establish the e-mobility simulation lab? The correct answer is IIT Madras. Next, World Economic Forum 2025 annual meeting started in which country? The correct answer is Switzerland. Next, recently an MOU signed between India and which country on cybercrime investigations? The correct answer is USA. Next, which state clinched the Vijay Hazare Trophy for the fifth time? The correct answer is Karnataka. Next, recently which state government approved the Uniform Civil Code? The correct answer is Uttarakhand. Next, the book The World After Gaja, written by whom? The correct answer is Pankaj Misra. Next, who has been appointed as the CEO and Managing Director of Zurich Kotak General Insurance? The correct answer is Alok Kumar. Next, the Archaeological Survey of India recently found ancient Buddhist artifacts at which place in Odisha? The correct answer is Ratnagiri Monastery. Next, recently which country successfully launched the PRC E01 satellite? The correct answer is Pakistan. Next, who has been confirmed as the 72nd US Secretary of State? The correct answer is Marco Rubio. Next, who inaugurated the 85th All India Presiding Officers Conference in Patna? The correct answer is Om Birla. Next, who was awarded the Gates Cambridge Impact Prize 2025? The correct answer is Professor Arbashi Sinha. Next, sixth International Millets Festival was held in which city? The correct answer is Bengaluru. Next, who has won the men's elite race at the Mumbai Marathon 2025? The correct answer is Berhan Tesfaye. Berhan Tesfaye. Next question. Where was the seventh edition of the Indian Boat and Marine Show IBMS held? The correct answer is Bolgatti Palace Event Center. Next, fifth edition of the Kalo India Winter Games 2025 kicked off on January 24th in which state? 24th in which state? The correct answer is Jammu Kashmir. Next, who has been appointed as the Director General of BSF? BSF. The correct answer is Mahesh Kumar Agarwal. MK Agarwal. Next, who has been appointed as the Chief Executive Officer of Reliance Power? The correct answer is Neeraj Parak. Next question is, which state government recently approved aerospace and defense policy? The correct answer is UP, Uttar Pradesh. Next, India celebrated 76th Republic Day with Indonesia's President Prabowo Subianto as the chief guest. What is the theme of the 76th Republic Day? 76th Republic Day. The correct answer is Swarnim Bharat Virishat Aur Vikash. Swarnim Bharat Virishat Aur Vikash. Next, Pongsu Pass, which was seen in news, lies between which two countries? The correct answer is India and Myanmar. Next, which city becomes the Inland Waterways Authority of India's sixth regional office recently? The correct answer is Gorakhpur. Next one, Typhoon missile system developed by which country? The correct answer is US, United States. Next, recently, which state government has launched the Samman Sanjeevani app? The correct answer is Haryana. Next, which state recently received the national award for the best performing state? Best performing state. The correct answer is Jharkhand. Next, who won the 2025 Australian Open men's single titles? The correct answer is Jannik Sinner. Next, India to host first international series golf championship. It is being hosted at. The correct answer is Gurugram. Next, Etikoppaga toys, which were showcased at Republic Day 2025, belongs to which state? The correct answer is Andhra Pradesh. Next question, which state won the best tabla award at the 76th Republic Day 2025? The correct answer is UP. Next question, Kanhar Tiger Reserve, recently seen in the news, is located in which state? The correct answer is Madhya Pradesh. Next, which of the following has recently approved National Critical Mineral Mission? The correct answer is Union Cabinet. Thanks for watching this video. వీడియో నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేసి షేర్ చేయండి. మన ఛానల్ ఫస్ట్ టైం చూస్తే ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ దిస్ వీడియో.